Today, I will show you how to install and set up a new React.js application using Vite. If you're tired of slow development servers and want to start building modern web apps in seconds, this guide is for you. So, let's get started. The first thing we need is Node.js. Open your browser and go to nodejs.org. On the home page, you'll see two download options, LTS and Current. For this tutorial, we're using the current version so we can access the latest JavaScript features and updates. Just click Current and the installer will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer. The installation process is very simple. Just click Next, accept the license agreement, and keep clicking Next. You don't need to change any of the default settings or installation path. The default configuration is perfectly fine for most users. Click Install, wait a few moments for the installation to finish, and then click Finish. Now let's make sure everything was installed correctly. Open your terminal or command prompt and type node-version, then press Enter. If you see a version number, congratulations! Node.js has been installed successfully. Now it's time to create our Vite project. Run the following command: npm create Vite at latest myapp -- template React. When it asks OK to proceed, simply type 1 and press Enter.
Next, you'll be asked which linter you'd like to use. Choose whichever one you prefer. If you're just getting started, the default option works perfectly. You'll then see a prompt asking whether you'd like to install the dependencies and start the project now. Type Yes. Vite will automatically download all the required packages from the internet. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, Vite will display a localhost address in the terminal. Hold Control on Windows or Command on macOS and click the link to open your new React application in the browser. To stop the development server, simply press Ctrl+C in the terminal. Now, let's start the project manually. Navigate into your project folder by running cd myapp. Then start the development server with npm run dev. Within a few seconds, Vite will launch a local development server and print a localhost URL in the terminal. Open that link in your browser, and that's it. Your brand new React application is now running locally. Every time you save your code, Vite updates the page almost instantly, thanks to its lightning-fast hot module replacement. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed Node.js, created your first React project with Vite, and launched your local development server. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.